They are not benefiting from government support like capitation, to an extent that even some schools where the teachers are supposed to be benefiting from an house allowance, like those teachers who are in municipalities, are not benefiting because they don't have title deeds. And when a school doesn't have a title, it is very difficult to benefit from any government or to perform any operation. We also have cases of clashes in my constituency, Mr. Speaker, because people have multiple titles. You see, you find somebody having a title, but they don't have the piece of land. Another one is occupying the land, but they don't have the title. A case of a piece of land in Mdomo called Crowley, they are always fighting. For example, during the planting season, one team will go and plant the land. During harvesting, a different team will go to harvest the maize. So it's a problem. So and how I wish such institutions like the ministry should streamline so that we don't encounter such problems. On the issue of projects, incomplete projects, Mr. Speaker, this is something which is very rampant in Kenya. We have a case of Mutiani House, which was begun even before I became a teacher. Once upon a time, Mr. Speaker, I was a teacher in high school, and we were being told about a Mutiani house which was being constructed. I have been able to pursue my education to the level of becoming a professor, to the level of becoming a member of parliament, but we are still talking about the same project, which is 31 years ago, Mutiani House. And it is a common occurrence in most of parts of Kenya. And you see, when the project is delayed, a lot of money is wasted, and restarting it over and over again becomes problematic. So how I wish such projects, or when the government is planning to do any project, it should plan, put sufficient funds, and make sure that the project is completed within the stipulated time. Mr. Speaker, on the case of consultancies, rightly so, this committee actually captured it very vividly. So many of the expenses in most projects or in most of these institutions is to do with consultancies. People are always carrying out project, they conceptualize, it takes a lot of time and a lot of money. By the time the real project is going to be implemented or to start, a lot of money has